Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
Hi guys, hey my bomb babies, I'm back again with another video for you guys, and today I'm just doing a iGel beauty haul really quick. It's not that many I ordered. I think I ordered like 6 or 7, but I just wanted to do a haul so you guys can see what the colors look like. But yeah, before we get started, just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, comment, and like this video if you really enjoy it, and also turn that notification bell on to get notified when I do upload again. So we're gonna go ahead and open the package. I'm gonna open it with a toothpick if I can. Okay, so I forgot to grab a knife. And it's nice packaging. I love iGel Beauty. That's all I use. Their acrylics are pretty good. Like, they're 2 ounces and they're always on sale. Like, every single day they're on sale. So they're always 75, 60, 75, or 80% off all the time. Like, literally every day. So their acrylics for 2-ounce jars are always like $5.60 something cents, I believe. So super cheap for a 2-ounce jar. So nice packaging so far. Let's bubble wrap. And it comes with everything that I ordered. So let me show you guys what I ordered. Sorry, the paper came kind of punched. So these are the colors and everything that I ordered. So I ordered Hot Gossip. I ordered Simply Spiceful, High Tea, Cherry Bomb, which I already have Cherry Bomb, so I ordered another one. Rose Blush, Vivacious, something I can't pronounce, and then Green with Envy. So like I said, I already have Cherry Bomb. I just have to reorder another one. But yeah, so we're gonna get into the swatching. I think this is Vivacious. I don't know, y'all. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I can't pronounce that. I say my life is actually bothering me. But yep, we're gonna go ahead and swatch them after we unpackage the rest. So here is Cherry Bomb. Like I said, I already had Cherry Bomb. I just had to order another one. And don't mind my nails. I'm getting ready to do them for you guys. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. But yeah, so let me actually pull them out first, and then I'm going to open them. So here's Cherry Bomb. Here's Rose Blush. This is Simply Spiceful. Hot Gossip. Vivacious, whatever that says. Green with Envy. This has shimmer in it. It says shimmer. And then we have High Tea, which is also a shimmer too. So I'm gonna swatch them on this plate because I didn't want to swatch them on the paper towel because I wanted them to be more vibrant. So we're gonna use the plate. All right, so let's start with Hot Gossip. And so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch this one. This is Hot Gossip. Put it right there. And I'm gonna show you guys all the beads at the end, like on the plate. So that's Hot Gossip. And then we're gonna do Rose Blush. Okay, so I think I said that already. Rose Blush is a shimmer. Some of them come with lids. Ooh, look at that one. That one's real nice. Let's get into this one. This one is really nice, y'all. Hopefully you can see the shimmer in there. Yeah, look at that. Put that right next to Hot Gossip. That one's really pretty. And again, that was Hot Gossip. So let me show you guys one more time. And it's right there. I'm gonna put the plate up close when I'm done, so you guys can see them all. This one is Simply Spiceful. That's really nice. Let's do this one. That one's really nice too. And again, this one is Simply Spiceful. Then we got our next one, which is Cherry Bomb. Like I said, I already have this one. This is everybody's favorite red. It's a beautiful red. It's like actual red. So this one is really nice. I can't wait to show you guys this one. Look at that red. Yes, super cute. Again, that was Cherry Bomb. Let me try to fix this. I think it's already dry. This one is like not a perfect circle, so it's like bothering me. So I'm gonna try to fix it. Okay. This one is High Tea, so this is a shimmer also. Look at that. Nice shimmer. Let's get into this one. That's super nice. See, you guys can't even see the shimmer. This video does no justice on how it really looks. I might have to do a video of me like doing my nails with them just so you can see. That one, I'm gonna show you guys up closer too. And I think I'm gonna put some top coat on them at the end so you guys can see how they look shiny. So I think I'm gonna do that too. So this one's Green with Envy. This one has shimmer too. I didn't realize how many have shimmer, but it's okay. I like shimmer. A lot of my clients like shimmer, so. Oh, this one's like a really, really light shimmer. So I don't know if you can really tell, but we're gonna do this one. This one is really nice. I'm gonna put this down. And that was Green with Envy. And we got one more. We got the Vivishish or Vivicis or however you want to pronounce that, because I'm not sure. And I'm pretty good at pronouncing things, so that's just throwing me off. But here we go. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh, super cute. I'm gonna put that down. And I'm going to throw some top coat on so you guys can see what it looks like with top coat. So this is what the colors look like when they're matte. Super cute colors. And I'm going to put a top coat on them just so you guys can see what they look like with a gloss top coat. Like, when I tell you that this video is doing no justice to how nice these colors look. All right, so I'm going to use a McCart top coat. This is what I use for all my top coat, all my top coats for my nails. So I'm not gonna cure it, but I'm just gonna like put it right on top so you guys can see what it looks like. So the first thing is what it looked like matte. So now I'm just gonna throw some gloss on here. I guess I can like, you know, go like this so you guys can see. And if I'm getting it on the plate, it's okay. That's why we have the plate here. This is just to show you guys what the gloss looks like. And don't think I paint sloppy, guys, because I really don't. I'm just putting it all over the place just for the video. But here it is glossy, super cute. When I tell you, video and lighting does no justice to these colors. And this is from iGelBeauty.com. They're always 60% off, 75% or 80%, just depends on if it's a holiday or a regular day. But when I tell you, when the countdown says 5 more days left, it's really all the time. Like, the 5 days will be gone and then they'll be on sale again. And they always have sales on their nail stickers, their charms, everything. But I love iGel Beauty, so I always recommend 10 out of 10 all the time. So here's 3 of them right here. I'm just showing you guys one more time. There's 3 of them. I'm gonna do 2 and 2 because there's only 4 left. Those 2 and these 2. But yeah, like I said, that was a really quick video I just wanted to do for you guys real quick. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend iGel Beauty. Like I said, iGelBeauty.com. And yeah, they have a whole bunch of colors, but this was just a few colors I just wanted to swatch that I just got in. But if you guys want to see a full haul of all of my colors, like iGel Beauty, Glam and Glitz, everything, let me know, because I'll definitely do that. But yeah, but make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on if you want to get notified when I upload again. But yeah, thanks guys, and I'll catch you on my next video.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart.